Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Dr. Seema Jain, and today I really want to ask you people, are you following me on my Telegram channel? My Telegram channel's link is given in the description box. In case a lot of you are saying that you cannot get the right link, please call up the team. You can go to the website stockpro.online.com. There is a phone number given there. Call up my team from that number and they will be surely able to help you. And please do not follow any fraudster. So today in this video, I'm going to be talking about a very special indicator. I wouldn't say it's an indicator. It's actually based on the volumes that have been already traded. This indicator or this unique feature is called volume profile, and I'm going to talk about the volume profile, which is absolutely freely available on TradingView. So this is, you don't need a paid version for that. But before we go on to the volume profile, let's understand through the definition. So the definition of volume profile is basically volume profile is an advanced charting study that displays trading activity over a specified time period at specified price levels. The study, which is accounting for user-defined parameters such as number of rows and time period, plots a histogram on the chart meant to reveal dominant or significant price levels based on the volumes. So at which price, how much volume has been traded, or at what price most of the volume have been traded. That is what we try to figure out. Essentially, volume profile takes the total volume traded at a specific price level during the specified time period and divides the total volume into either buy volume or sell volume and then makes that information easily visible to the trader. So, this is a very, very important indicator. A lot of information can be gathered. Where did the price remain for a longer period of time? So, if you see, this is the volume profile out here. Let me just make it bigger for you. So you see this red line, this is called point of control. And this is the value area, the one you see at the bright part. This is where the 70% trading has happened. And this is basically value area high, this is value area low, and this is point of control. Now, having this information, let's go further. So we have a point of control, we have profile high, we have profile low. So this is profile high at the top, like this is profile high, this is profile low. This is value area high, value area low. After this, we go on to further. It's now, what are the calculations? Determine the total volume traded in the profile, total buys and sells, already executed orders, right? It's not that orders which are about to be executed, but already executed orders are taken care of. Take the number of total buyers and sells and multiply it by 0.7 to determine the number is 70. So as I showed you over here in the volume profile, this bright part is actually total volumes into 0.7. That means 70% of the volume is traded in this particular bright area. Then he says start the POC, which is point of control, the row in the profile with the greatest total volume, and record its total volume number. The POC will be the first profile row added to the value area. Now look at the two rows above the POC, add the total number of volume of both. Now look at the row beneath and add the total volume. Determine which of the total volume number is larger and add it to the total number of the POC, found it in step 3. So anyway, we are not going to go into all that detail. He's saying go 2 rows up, 2 rows down, find the volume, add it up and add it in the point of control. I am not going to do all of it. I'm just going to use whatever information is available. Now the question is, where do you get the volume profile very, very easily, and which is free of the cost? That's one thing. And how do you really use it? So there are many uses, but I'm going to tell you one use which I use for positional trading. Now pick up any chart that you want to pick up, right? And you will go to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one out here. Come to this particular number, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seventh number you come, and you have to, from there, you have to take the volume profile. You pick it up from here. This is fixed range volume profile, and plot it here. Just plot it over here, over this period of this place. You will be able to see the huge, most of the volume have been traded here. And this is behaving as a strong support zone. The price, once it went below this and after that it bounced, the price is refusing. This point of control is behaving as a support, right? And I waited for it to break this range of these inside candles, and today's slight gap up, and after that it just kept on going up. So that is why I have given a buy on IDFC Bank. You can hold it, you can buy such a stock. Now the question comes, how do I know till what point I need to hold this? Where could be the resistance? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it back from wherever the selling started. From wherever the selling started, I'm going to pull it back to that point, and we'll see what happens. Now this is going to be the resistance. It's going to behave as a strong resistance, because most of the time, the most traded volume, I don't know whether they were the buy volume or the sell volumes, but most of the volumes were traded about 39 or 40 rupees, right? This is where. So right now we stand at 34 rupees, but it has a probability of going till 40, right? In case I just reduce my range and see what happens to there is not much of change. My resistance remains the same. Let me see if I bring it to this point, what happens. Now it has come down, right? Now this, in this entire zone, most of the trade happened at this particular place. That means this has become the support. And where did it start? If I go back and see from what comes out to be the resistance, 40 is coming out to be a very strong resistance. So this is one method that I use very, very often, and I used a similar one in Astral. In Astral, I applied the similar concept. I went to this here, pulled the fixed range, and you can plot it from here, recent high to the recent low. And see, this is a very, very strong support zone. If I go to yesterday's analysis, I was here. So have a look at it. This place, which is 1666, was a very, very strong support zone. This is the point of control. In this entire duration, most of the trading has happened at this point. Now, how do I know whether it's a buying happening here or the selling happening here? That will be defined by how this range is broken. This particular range, how's the range broken? That will give me an idea whether the buying is happening at this level or the selling is happening at this level. Now the next question comes that I want to know for how long this will continue. How long will this continue? So let's see what could be my resistance. So the buy price is coming out to be this only. There is not much of difference. If I reduce it to this point, or what I may need to do is go to the previous sell high. I go to the previous sell high, this is going to behave as a very, very strong resistance, because till this point sellers were pretty dominant. So 1921, we are at 1729 right now, 36. Till about another 200 points, there could be a good opportunity, and before that there will be a barrier at 1820. So this is a very, very strong indicator, because this actually uses the volumes that have been already traded. In fact, I made a whole list yesterday by filtering stocks based on the similar method, right? For example, I looked into Aarti Industries. I checked all of them which were taking the support from the point of control. Have a look at Aarti Industries. So right now it's here. The price has to go above. Price is slightly below, but price has to go above. Above 717 or 718, or rather I would say above 730, we will have a good opportunity of buying in Aarti Industries, because this point of control is still above. I also looked into Indigo, right? Indigo, I'll just show you what happened in Indigo. This is how Indigo looks, and have a look at the fixed volume range. So see here, this is how the volumes are, right? Highest traded volume is at 1620. So have a look at the price, now you know the true where the buyers or the sellers are standing. In case price goes above 1678 or 1680, you can expect it to give a good move up, because here a lot of accumulation is happening. So this is an indicator, a very, very good indicator as far as investment is concerned. This point of control will always behave as a uh, like this is a place where most of the time highest volume will be traded. So in case price leaves it, then it will come out of this magnetic pull, which is caused by the point of control. Now let's see till what point can we expect this price to go. In case Indigo just starts moving, what can we expect? We can expect it to go till 1820, because I have taken the previous high and I've plotted this line. Like, let me just remove all of it so that you can see it more clearly. So here you see the where the sellers are sitting. Now you want to know where exactly the sellers are sitting. Where is the supply zone? Where are the suppliers sitting? Where are the people shorting? So 1820 is a place where sellers are sitting. This is a supply zone. So demand zone is being created right now in Indigo. Above 1680, we can expect a good breakout. And what target can we expect? We can expect it to go till about 1820. So this is a very, very beautiful indicator, but you have to develop a understanding of this stock, this particular indicator. A lot of stocks I selected yesterday, which were sitting on a very, very good support. Another was Godrej Properties. Here is Godrej Properties. Have a look at it. I'm going to remove all the drawings. Now see here, if I draw the same indicator, which is range. So I'm going to take it from the recent fall. What is happening? Does it? So it is sitting on a support. This is a very, very strong support. And where am I going to take entry? When it goes above 1280. If it goes above 1280, I will expect a good move up. And if it goes above 1280, till what point can I expect a move? Till what level can I expect a move? Or let me just make it a little shorter. I can definitely expect a move till about 1370. This is where sellers are sitting. First level of sellers are sitting. So this is a place, this kind of a move I can expect. So this is an indicator, which is a rock solid indicator based on the data, based on the volume traded at a specific price. In case you use this particular indicator, I wouldn't call this an indicator. This is actually volume profile, means volume being traded. This gives you very, very strong support zones and strong resistance zones, and you can always make some good decisions based on it. And in case you are not present on my channel, join it. Go to the description box. You'll find the phone number. You'll find the video, the Telegram link. Join me from there. Today my trades were Astral, Siemens, IDFC First Bank. Bang on trades, even Dabur I had given. All the trades have given huge, huge returns. In fact, I have also made a good amount of money. Market has closed. I made about 1,81,000. I still am holding 4 open positions. You can just have a look at them. I'm still holding 4 open positions. These are the 4 positions which I'll be probably closing in a day or two. So this is what I wanted to share with you all. All the best. Take care. See you in the next video.